Hello there, everybody, and welcome to our math journey. I'm Daniel, won't even waste your time with a middle name, Valvo, and I'll be your host, guide, and if all goes well, maybe even your acquaintance by the end of these mathematical modules. Now today we're going to kick it off with something fundamental to mathematics, numbers. Let's get started. Unless you've been living under a rock for the past 10,000 years, you've probably heard of numbers. Humans have been working with numbers since the Stone Age, and the number concept is historically the foundation of mathematics. So you've probably heard of numbers like 1, or maybe even 9.99, or 4/5, or one of my favorites, pi. You may have even heard that 789, but that's just a nasty rumor. While numbers might seem simple, dig a little deeper and you'll see there's a lot going on underneath. We'll do just that by examining different types or categories